Real quick before the video starts, kind of like midway to the end, I'm going to be giving away one of the cable pouches that I talk about in the video, so make sure to stick around for that so you can enter to win that. My girlfriend got a new bucket hat, so naturally I have a new bucket hat. I'm still trying to figure out how do you wear a bucket hat? Is that right? What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be talking about how easy it would be to rob me and get away with a lot. What? Oh, that's not. What's everyday? Oh, okay. Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about my everyday carry as a software developer / entrepreneur. I go to a lot of coffee shops. If you don't know, my girlfriend can buy her merch. She's opening a coffee shop in Michigan, so go to, I'll put the link to her merch if you wanna go buy it in the description. It has some cool things on the back too. But anyways, I drink a lot of coffee, so I bring this backpack with me basically everywhere that I go, and this has everything that I would need when I'm there as a software developer, working on my other side businesses as well as my main job where I'm an iOS programmer, developer, whatever you wanna call it. With that being said, let's open up the backpack. First thing about the backpack, you know it's super high quality because I stole it from my dad 5 years ago when I was in college. So yeah, it's a really hype beast kind of thing. But in all actuality, it's actually a really good backpack. He works for like a hospital system, and Epic is like a hospital, basically a hospital related tech company. So they give out all this really nice merch to like the high up executives at the hospitals. And my dad got this one. It has like nice leather accents and everything. And you can hold it like this. I don't know why you would ever do that, but you can. But what I really, really like about this backpack, which sounds super weird because it has nothing to do with the actual backing of the pack, is the interior color is like this yellow goldish color, which I think is amazing. I love having like accent colors on my stuff. This has been my daily driver for a long, long time, like 5 years for real. So now in the front pouch here, we do have I call this my testing device. This is a Google Pixel 4a. This is not my actual phone. This is just a testing device that I use at work when I need to test Android things, when I need to test our app or make sure that this crash is fixed or do a bug bash for a certain feature that we're doing. I use this phone because it would be dumb for me to test my own things because I made them. So we test other people's things, which is my Google Pixel 4a that I have. Just literally for testing. There's nothing on this phone except for literally the app that I need to test. So now the biggest part of this is obviously the computer. I have two 15-inch MacBook Pros. I have one from 2017 and one from 2020. The 2021 is my work one. 2017 one is my personal one, and I bring these literally with me everywhere. The 2017 one is my one that I've done all my apps and my websites and my businesses on, and my YouTube channel, my editing, everything basically gets done on that personal one. I bring this work one with me if it's like a work day and I gotta be somewhere and work from there. So you see why in the beginning of the video I said it was pretty easy to make out with a lot of stuff if you got my bag. All right, next up here we have my two notebooks. So these are something that I actually do carry with me everywhere. I know it sounds ridiculous to carry two, but I haven't always done this. This little one, this is something I actually got from a Peter McKinnon video that he just posted where he was basically saying there's this concept of keeping on track with your day by writing down things as you go through your day that you need to do, and then when you finish them, you cross them off like physically, like, you know, you get that good feeling of crossing it off. So the idea is you write up to 8 things that you need to do that day, whether it could be like filming this video or doing the dishes or going to the gym. There's things you need to do that day, and then as you do them, you cross them off. So that's the little one. Nice. The bigger one is just everything and anything that I need to write down. Ideas, business things, affiliate things, stuff for my fitness app, stuff for actual work, stuff for YouTube, just literally whatever is on my mind goes in here. And I actually really like how it ends up looking. I know it sounds stupid, but like flipping through the pages, I'm like, yeah, it's a used notebook. It looks really cool. And then I don't know if anybody else has like a favorite pen that they just like love. This sounds stupid, but this is my favorite pen. I carry it with me everywhere. It's a Uniball Signo 207. I literally don't know what any of that means, but This is the pen I carry with me everywhere. If I ever were to lose this one, I'd probably just buy another pack of them because I love it so much. There's that. Not in the sink, no. Now on a weird another vein, I have an iPad that I also bring with me everywhere. This is an iPad Pro 11-inch from 2018, the first year they released it. So it doesn't have like the nicer camera or anything, it's like the basic stuff, but it does everything I need it to do. I like that there's no home screen, or there's no home button. It is cracked in a corner, but again, just a representation of my life, just a little bit imperfect, you know? Little humanizing details, like a crack in the corner, just really bring it together. It's what I tell myself to feel better about the fact that I cracked it, so. There's no case on it right now. I took the case off for the thumbnail, but I do have the Magic Keyboard case for this, which, let's just add this up, okay? The Magic Keyboard case, $200. I got it on sale for $200. Magic Pencil, $140, $130. The iPad was actually free. My mentor gave it to my girlfriend and I, so didn't have to pay for that part. But if you think about how much money this whole setup costs, I bring this everywhere with me, and I pretty much just use it for watching Netflix videos. I really enjoy like physically writing things, which I know I can do with like but you don't get the feeling, you know, of writing. So the next thing that I do carry with me in my backpack, well, I don't actually carry this with me in my backpack, but I carry it with me pretty much everywhere. We shoot on Sony cameras. Mine's an A7 III. This is an A7R. And yeah, we pretty much just bring these with us everywhere, even if we're not scheduled for a shoot. My girlfriend and I are also doing, along with 15 other ventures that we're doing, we are shooting we're calling it the Coffee Shop Coffee Table Book of Austin. So for the past 6 months, we've been going around photographing coffee shops of Austin, get really high quality stuff, and we're gonna be publishing it into a book. So I'll make a video about that down the road because we need people to buy it. So I wanna make a video so people know it's there. Now the biggest part of this kind of everyday carry backpack deal is this. This is a cable pouch by Side by Side. They actually sent me this. There was no paid sponsorship or anything. He was just like, hey, I'm the owner of this company. You make videos in the realm of tech. Can I send you this? And I was like, yes, you can send me free things. This is what I've actually been using as my like daily driver for cable management stuff for the past month. I was kind of nervous about it at first, like if it was gonna work for me, but it's actually been amazing. So I literally carry everything in here that I need. I have adapters for my computer. I have SSDs in here. I have cables for connecting my phone to my computer when I want to run my apps on them. I have hard drives in here. I have power adapters for the wall. I have literally everything I could need in here, like USB-C to USB-A and back and forth, and everything I could possibly need fits in this thing, so thank you. Now I did get to talk to the guy from Side by Side who actually said that if I want to, I can give one of these away. So if you want to win one of these, they're like 30 bucks, so they're really nice. If you want to win one, just leave a comment down below. I'll randomly select someone and message you, get you in contact with them. They said that they would hook you up with one through their Amazon store. So just leave a comment down below. That's all you gotta do, nothing crazy. Just leave a comment so I can know who you are to pick you. Now we're getting kind of into the basics of it, my actual everyday carry in my pockets. First off, AirPods Pros come everywhere with me. I actually broke these. I got them ran over with a shopping cart about a month ago. Fun fact, a broken AirPod, a single broken AirPod. How much would you think it is? It's $100. It was like $107 with tax, a single AirPod. So that was a fun midweek expense that I had to do because I literally use these every single day, come to the gym with me every day, come to coffee shops with me every day. So I couldn't live without it. And then next up, obviously, wallet, phone keys, wallet, mask, depending on the time of the year. This comes with me everywhere as well. I actually jumped between two different Shinola wallets. One my mom got me and one my girlfriend's mom got me. So I just kind of like jump between the two for whatever I'm feeling like. But I'm very minimal with what I bring. So literally in this wallet, I have my ID and 2 credit cards. That's it. I have my ID and then I have 1 credit card that's my main driver. And then if that one doesn't work for some reason, I have an Apple card that I carry with me just in case. But I don't charge anything to that card unless the main card doesn't work. And yeah, I mean, you can see it, it's tiny. Why would you not carry only 3 cards? It's awesome. No cash. Cash is stupid. We're in 2021. No cash. And then last but not least, obviously, is my phone. This is a iPhone XR, which as an iOS developer, you'd think I would have a better phone. No, I have a XR from like 3 years ago. It's the red one with the red case on it. And there's no screen cracks because I also got that broken and then I replaced it immediately because I can't live with my failures staring me in the face every day. So I do have a 10R, it's like the 32 gig. It's literally like the base model entry thing that you can get. I haven't felt a need to really upgrade to anything more because I'm waiting for 120 hertz screens, or really just anything that's better than what they have now. We need 120 hertz screens. I'm not going to upgrade until something new comes out. So, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this like everyday carry what's in my backpack thing as like an entrepreneur / developer. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands anymore. I'm going to karate chop. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Go buy my girlfriend's merch for her coffee shop. Pick it up. It's really cool. Look at the back. Look at the back. How cool is that? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Look at the hat. Yep. Okay. See you in the next one. Peace.